Yeah, that's the last thing they say.
You forgot. Hey, y'all.
No. The last part is hold my beer.
Let me know when everybody's ready. This might be very anticlimactic.
Yeah, more like you're gonna... Thank you. Yes, I'll give it right there.
Yeah, Robert, you're fucking... No.
Little crossword. Let me know when everybody's ready.
Ready.
No.
You're gonna... you hit or hurt anything, you are dead.
Hey, you're filming it, which makes you a participant.
I'm just filming your dumb ass.
Yeah, we're ready. This is gonna be scary as shit.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
Really?
That's it?
That was it.
Yeah.
It's not, wait, don't go there. I think there's multiple in there, doesn't it?
That's it. Boom.
Doesn't have multiple shots?
Well,
God, I hope not.
It would have gone off already.
Here, that one does that you have in your hand.
This one did.
Oh, God.
I was like this. That one piece.
That's cute. I thought at first it was just a boom. I'm like, seriously? It isn't.
That one has multiple shots, so it should be more interesting.
Multiple.